Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm back and I have the cardboard out. This is a cardboard. It is the backing from some paper and you can see it's about fingernail moon wide. I have gone ahead and I have taken my, I'm going to use this book for this one. Okay, so I have measured with my fingernail because I want this to be right to the edge of this book. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And it's on the inside there. A little bit more over. Okay. And we are making a spine. Now it was kind of unfortunate because it was just a little bit too short. This was just a little bit too short, but we'll save it. We'll probably be able to use it for something another day. Okay, so we're going to be putting it inside this gutter right here. And we want to make sure that we will have a gutter, literally, like, so that the book will open and close nicely. Okay. So we're going to come down and use our fingernail. Again, best measurement that there is. Okay. And I'm cutting myself a spine. Okay. And you can use 2 of those if you like. And if you're a little bit long, which this one feels like it's just a hair long. I'm going to go ahead and cut the hair with my scissors, maybe. Oh gosh. You guys ever lose anything? I have 10 pairs of scissors. And there is not a single pair of scissors right here. So, look on the floor. I had one. There we go. There they are. Okay, cutting just a hair. Okay. It's a gorilla hair. It's a thick hair, but it's a hair. Okay, now I'm also going to come back in with that X-Acto knife and clean this up a little bit, very carefully. You know what? Might be easier to... Okay, maybe not. Okay. Let's see how this book really is working. We want a little more off. I'm going to very carefully use the scissors because when it gets down to being this little, okay, a little bit more. I was looking at the wrong line You want to be on the inside line of your book. I'll show you here. Okay, so you want to be inside that. Okay? Feel much better about it. We're inside that. Okay? Now you could add some reinforcement here. Duct tape. What do they call it? Tyvek. I have used lace. I have used duct tape. I'm going to go ahead. This time I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to cut it just one more time. Another little gorilla hair. Okay. And then I'm going to put glue on this. I'm going to use the bottom because I really like the way that it comes out and spreads, and that I get enough glue. And I like the oh, what is it called? The thing that puts it on, because it splits it with like little lines. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let this dry. So that is our next step. That would be step 2, adding reinforcement to the spine and then letting it dry. So come back for part 3. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.